Yo, what's up, guys? So I haven't seen this in a while, but as you guys can see, LTE band 41 with Google Fi. So this is a bit different. So let's go ahead and speed test it and see what we get inside my bedroom. So, well, let me disconnect Wi-Fi. That would help, duh. Okay, it's finding new server. Alright, let's go. Let's see what I get. And again, this is band 41. So I'm expecting the upload speeds to be kind of not so good. But 70 megabits per second, that's actually not bad. Yep. But this is a rarity. I have not seen Google Fi connect to Sprint in a long time. This is an absolute long time that I've ever seen it connect to Sprint. That is crazy. Band 41. This is just crazy. So let's run another speed test. I'll click out of that. Let's try it again. I just wanted to share this, just to share this with everybody out there. Yeah, a slow climb. 38 millisecond ping, 18 millisecond jitter. Now we're reaching 56. And not so much on the upload. It was crazy. It was just a while ago before it caught band 41. It caught band 25. And it showed in a Signal Check Pro band 25 10 by 10. Now it's connecting to band 41. But yeah, I just figured I would share this quick little video speed test of band 41, and yeah, Google Fi connecting to Sprint's LTE band, or well, we won't call it Sprint anymore because Sprint is not around. So T-Mobile LTE band 41. Yeah, even though it says Sprint. T-Mobile owns them now. That's crazy. So yeah, that's it for this quick little speed test video. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you're a Google Fi customer, are you starting to notice that that there's been a connection back to Sprint's network? Because I have not been able to connect to Sprint's network in almost 2 months already. Yeah, just about 2 months. I've never seen any of my devices that I have Google Fi connected with connect to the Sprint network. So this is kind of interesting. But alright, leave your guys' thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. And that's it for right now, guys.